I was muted the entire time. Okay. Um. All right. I'm gonna send out to the Discord that we're live. I'm not taking any trades yet, guys. I'm just starting streams, so I'm gonna talk to you guys for a bit. Killzone doesn't start for another 10 minutes, so. All right, I'm sending out that we're live now. Sorry, sent it out to the Discord. All right, we got someone in here already. What's up? How you doing today? I didn't mean, I didn't mean to say that. What's up? I'm gonna post that we're live on Instagram. All right, 1 second. I'm sending out the live on Instagram. I need to get the link real quick. All right, I posted that we're live on Instagram. All right. I am live earlier than normal right now. Um, just watching right now. I don't take any trades until after 8:30, so not taking anything right now. We do have this LRLR below. Seems like we're gonna run this here. Just commentating right now. So, how is everybody doing today? We already got 3 likes. Damn. How's everyone? How's everyone doing today? So, unfortunately, no entry here. I mean, I'm not taking this, but if there was an entry, it would have been at stop at break even there. Just watching this LRLR get ran. Not taking any trades yet, guys. If you guys did not hear me, I'm not taking any trades yet. Not until at least 8:30. Let me check news. We have news at 10, so hopefully we can get a setup with that. How is everyone doing today? We got people here in chat. So I want to know how everyone's doing today. Did anyone catch that trade yesterday with us? Anyone catch anything different yesterday? So. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some higher time frame analysis here. Let's see. Oh, let me delete everything from yesterday. All right, and also on this one as well. All right. There's a 3-minute iFVG. It failed, but it's coming back to it. Would it work? I don't know. I don't know. I haven't taken anything yet, so I'm not looking for anything right now. I wait till at least 8:30. Which one failed? Said a 3-minute. What do you mean? I'm looking at the 3-minute. I don't see anything. Oh, the short. Okay. 1 minute didn't inverse as well. That 1 minute held. I personally wouldn't look to short that low in the first place. That's too low to take a short. Also, no liquidity sweep, so I don't really like that. Yeah. So just chilling here. We have 5 more minutes until 8:30, so just starting stream early, trying to talk with you guys. Anyone else in here? Who's in here right now? We got 4 people. I'm tired, bro. I was just working on the new video. It's taking me a lot of time. I've probably spent like a total of like 4 or 5 hours on it so far. Probably 4. It's gonna be really, really good. That's why I'm waiting for my previous one at 500 views first. Gives me more time to work on it, and yeah, it's gonna be worth it. So once that video hits 500 views, it'll be worth the wait. Don't worry. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm so tired, bro. I need to go see if I have anything like caffeine or something, bro. All right, I'm back, guys. I'm eating bagels. That's what I'm gonna do. I got butter, got bagels. We're gonna watch this pre-market for a little bit, and then if we get something good, then we'll take it. So we got 6 people in here right now. Benyam, you didn't have to remove your chat. You didn't have to remove your chat, bro. Everybody like can take big pad setups, bro. It's all part of learning, bro. Don't be embarrassed. I've taken my fair share of bad setups, and if I were to show them, you would have think that would make that setup look good. Trust me. We got 7 people in here right now. Who's in here right now? I want to see y'all in chat. I want to see how your guys' day's been so far. YMT, would you take? You took something in London? What? Just give me a time and I'll look at it. EST, anyways. Relative equal lows here. YMT, I want to see what setup you took. What's up, Sokoro? YMT, I'm not saying there was no setups. By the way, I'm not being cocky or anything. I'm just, I personally don't trade before 8:30, so I wasn't really looking at the charts until I started stream. Don't like this long because of the relative equal lows below. SMT though, so it might not be horrible, but very bad momentum here. We're chopping, so stop should be a break even if you took this off of here. Almost got stopped out there, but didn't. Again, I'm not taking this. I wouldn't recommend taking stuff right now, but okay, that was 8:30. Now I'm fine with looking for setups. But I'm not really going to be looking for setups. I'm just going to be watching the charts. If we get something, I take it. I don't really like to force anything pre-market. I don't like to force anything anytime. I used to do that, and that's when I would take my losses. YMT, what time was that trade, bro? But sometimes bread is so hard to swallow. Starting London, the 5 minute candle. Okay, let me see. Oh, there's iFVG here. Or was it on the, oh, you enter, or did you enter off the delivery of this? I don't know what model you use. That's why I'm asking. Okay, okay. That's not bad. It's not my strategy, but it worked, so. I'm assuming that wasn't your only confluence. I'm assuming you had more, but yeah, that's not bad. Let me see. Nice, bro. I pumped like crazy. We had a really big overnight move. Actually, PA might not be the best today. Oh my gosh, that's a big move. 150 points up and then all the way back down. Damn. Guys, can we get one more like and be at 5, bro? We would have the 5 likes before market open. That's crazy. Make one more bagel. I normally ask for 5 likes in the entire stream. Reaction level plus delivery, Asia liquidity resting above. Okay. That's solid. It's not my model, so I wouldn't have taken it. But there was a entry for my model there. It was just a little bit more up. If I go back to that 5 minute. Oh my gosh, bro, there's no way I just did that with my hair. That's so weird, bro. I personally wouldn't have taken this because I don't trade on the 15 minute, but right here. Entry would have been here, targeting New York PMI. But I don't enter like that. Like there would like if I would have taken like this, or if I go here, was there a 30-second? Oh my gosh, 30-second in London looks horrendous. Oh my gosh. London, you gotta trade those higher time frames actually. 5 minute, 15 minute would even make sense trading in London, bro, because it moves. I forgot how slow it moves in London. If there was an SMT there, would be really, really good for me. No SMT there. Probably wouldn't have taken that. Yeah, 1 minute doesn't seem to be good either on it. A lot of gaps. So what am I looking for on the higher time frame? I'm gonna start and do some real analysis here now. So I'm gonna go here on. I don't need both right now. Actually, I'm just gonna use this. All right, so 4 hour. We just swept this. Assuming that was yesterday. Okay, so this was yesterday, resweeping that 15 minute low. Now we did come back up after sweeping that. Let me see. Let's check the 1 hour here. This 1 hour fair value gaps held twice, so that could be bullish. Do we have an SMT there at those lows? Okay, we have an SMT at those lows that is bullish as well. 1 hour holding, SMT at the lows. So that's bullish. Don't really have any PD raise here. Like I don't have a fair value gap to look for an inverse. Could put in an order block here on this 15 minute. That could be bullish. Let's see. I'm gonna make this bagel while I sit here. Don't have a clear draw right now, so. So we have an hourly here that could hold us down on both. So we'll kind of either have to see how it reacts to this hour. We'll have to see how it reacts to this hourly. Unless we put in this order block here, then I'd be bullish until the hourly. But as of right now, a little bullish until we hit this bearish fair value gap. Yeah, I would 100% get it not working on Asia. It's just a lot less than London, and London is a lot less than New York. Okay, I finished this bagel. I gotta go put this stuff back. But yeah, hopefully we get something good. Maybe we'll get something with that 10 a.m. news. That could be really good as well. So just being patient, guys. So all right, I gotta go put this these bagels and butter back. I'll be right back. But yeah, as of right now, bullish. We have not hit that 1 hour bearish fair value yet. All right. About to have a good day today, guys. About to have a good day today, guys. Real good trading day today. We about to have a good day trading day today. Oh my gosh, bro, I have the hiccups. All right. Let's see. Again, we're still just waiting, but I just want to pay attention. Let me put this up here by price so it's at least near it. All right. Oh, I gotta post my TikTok, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I have my I made a couple of TikToks from yesterday's stream. All right, let me see. I'm gonna post that one first. I really need a shave. Guys, we are 1 like away from hitting 5 likes on the stream. Can we hit 5? I like 5 because it's halfway to 10. Bro, I don't know why. I explained this yesterday. I like intervals of 5. It's just, I don't know, they're just good numbers. Haven't gotten anything yet. Price is just chopping right now. It makes sense. It's pre-market and a big overnight move. So just gotta be patient today. Yo, I'm thinking about getting those. What do you guys think? I'm thinking about getting those like the mouth strips off TikTok when you sleep. And the nose thing, bro. I need the nose thing for when I go to the gym. Because, bro, I have sinus problems and I have a deviated septum. So I got my sinus problems from my mom. My mom has really bad sinus problems. But I'm thinking about getting them. Thinking about getting especially the nose things. I'll use the nose things for the gym and then the mouth tape while I sleep. Because sometimes I wake up with a sore throat. So I don't wanna keep sleeping with my mouth open sometimes. It's not a lot of the times, but it's sometimes. Actually inversing on 15-minute BPR as well, so yeah. Alright, I'm putting this one. We're actually inversing on 15-minute BPR as well, so yeah. Sell side should hit if we do. Alright, so we inversed it there. Okay, now we're just pumping up. Alright. Alright. I'm putting some clickbait title, bro. Trader predicts market dump. Because remember yesterday when I talked about the Judas swing down, the Judas swing up, I mean, right before it dumped. And I said if we versus 15-minute, then I want us to go for sell side, and it did that. So I'm putting trader predicts market dump for my TikTok. The trader predicts market. So I can make the text a little bit bigger. Predicts market dump takes up, like, I have to make the text smaller because it's bigger. All right. All right. All right. I got my thing posted. All right, I posted it. Sorry for being so quiet. Terrible last week. We had CPI and PP. Bro. I don't like when it plays at full volume. I don't like listening to my own voice. Ooh. Okay, so this long here with no entry is pumping. So where's the high that puts us into the fair value gap? It's this high right here. So what? What are the chances that it got put right there, bro? Anyways, that's where the fair value gap starts. Am I paid out? No, not yet. Bro, cause I would like, bro, it's my fault too. If I would have, bro, I went over all of my over all my losses, bro, and they were all like breaking my rules, which is my main problem. But I haven't done that in a while, and I'm about to pass this account, and then getting a payout with this prop firm is like really quick. So, no, I don't like Top Step. They're really good, but they just have one problem, and it's that like you can't use the micros. Because if your account says a maximum of um five contracts, you can only use five like for anything. Five minis, five micros. Every other prop firm is like if it's five contracts, is five minis. So you can use 50 micros. So it's like you can't really take partials with Top Step. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much have to use minis. Well, you can use Trade of 8 with Top Step. That's what I did when I used Top Step or used to use Top Step. I was also funded with Apex too, but Apex has been really sketchy. So that's why I've heard a lot of people say stuff about them not paying out and stuff. So that's why I like Take Profit Trader. If you use Tradeovate, you're limited to 5 cons, but not on their Top Step X. Really? I didn't know it was different for Top Step X. I never used it. Yeah, probably. They probably don't have to pay a Tradeovate fee or whatever to use Tradeovate if you use Top Step X, so they probably save money. Guys, we are one like away from 5. Let's see if we hit. Wait. So once you purchase, let's say 50K, $120 one time pay, you have to pay again to be moved to funded. You have to pay if you don't pass the account. Like, let's say it comes to the next month and you pay the next month. But that's with every prop firm. So paying again to move to funded? No, they don't have an activation fee right as of right now with the discount code. Normally they have $130 activation fee, which is still less than like Apex. Apex is 160. How much is Top Steps? How much is Top Steps activation fee? Trying to see right now. $150 activation fee at Top Step. Yeah. What's the consistency? Let me see. I think it's 40. Don't quote me on that though. I'm checking. I'm checking. I'm checking first. Oh, 50%. Their consistency is 50%. But that's only for the eval. Once you're on the actual account, you can just make whatever. So basically 200. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, yeah. Is Bulanox. What's Bulanox? I'm gonna look that up. I've never used them. Never used them. So I wouldn't know. I don't even know what that is. Like what type of thing it is. Yo, y'all can't even see my eyes, bro. I'm gonna put my hair back. Is this better? Oh, let me see. Okay, okay. It doesn't look bad. Bro, I need to get rid of my acne, bro. It bothers me so much. I'm gonna go fill my water. But yeah, I like TPT a lot. TPT is really good. They okay. So also YMT. The reason that there's no consistency rule for payouts and it's only for the eval is because um oh yeah you can request a payout whenever. You don't have to wait till a certain time or anything. You can request a payout on the first day, but you have to be past the buffer, which is like 2,000. I think it's the trailing drawdown. So 2,000. If you're on a 50K and you make 2,000, then 50K you make 2 grand. You get to keep 1 grand of it. So they want you to keep once you get that drawdown to zero, so or 50. So like the trailing drawdown, if you start at 50K, in order to get that $2,000 drawdown to 50K, you have to make 2 grand because it's $2,000 drawdown. So when you're 2 grand in profit, you can only take up to 50% of that drawdown. So if you make 2K, you can take out 1K. But it depends on how much you risk. And personally, I want to have a couple grand there. So if I make like let's say 3K, then I take out like 1K. I want to leave at least 2 grand there, so I have room. I wouldn't I wouldn't take any of that out. So if I make 3K, I'll take out one. If I make 2K, I won't take out anything. I'll wait. I filled my water. Hurricane, no, I haven't taken anything yet. Just been chilling, talking to chat, answering some questions, watching the charts, doing some pre-market analysis, just chilling. Yo, guys, can we hit 5? Like, oh, we did hit 5x. Okay, never mind. My thing just took a second to refresh. All right, now I'm done begging for likes. We do have 10 a.m. news, so really could just wait until then just to be safe. So I might just read price action until 10 a.m. news. Read price action. Talk to you guys. Oh, I gotta upload the video. I just uploaded to TikTok. I gotta upload it to Instagram as well. We're actually inversing on 15-minute BPR as well. Okay. All right. Actually inversing on 15-minute BPR as well. We're actually inversing on 15-minute BPR as well. So yeah, sell side should. Bro, I don't like this sound, bro. What sound should I use? Still haven't tapped into that 1 hour. Have we tapped into here on ES? We have. So SMT at these highs. Could forward test this 1 minute. Yeah, sure. I'll forward test this 1 minute if we get it. Break even here, partial here, full TB here. So I'll forward test this. Oh, I forgot to post my thing on. I gotta find a sound for my video. Or what are some of these TikTok sounds? Let me see. I'm just gonna use the one I always use, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna just use timeless, bro. I always use timeless. Actually, wait. I might use rather lie. All right. My draw. I don't have any draws of right now. I'm waiting till 10 a.m. news, and we're gonna see if we get a wick. It's better to wait till 10 a.m. news, anyways. Yeah, it's better wait till 10 a.m. news. All right, now I gotta finish changing the audio in here. Volume. What? Why is it so loud? All right, I'm putting timeless on there because this is too loud. All right, volume 1. All right. Okay, so I put the thing on there. All right, so we inversed it there. Okay, now we're just. Okay, let me see. Maybe Judas swing here to us. Okay, that looks good. Crap. All right. Do we end up getting the short? Okay, so short would have been entered right there. Again, I'm not taking this, but would have been right here. Oh, and I got stopped out immediately. Dang. Dang. Is there SMT? No, this one didn't inverse. This one held. Let me see. What do I want to use for my. All right, this is a good thumbnail. I would wait until it takes our fill our wick on the 5 minute. I'm not taking anything right now. YMT. I'm waiting for 10 o'clock news. All right. Sorry, I'm typing out my thing. All right. I got my post up on Instagram now, and then I'm gonna post it on YouTube Shorts. With my Mansory Rolls Royce Cup. Now I'm gonna post it on TikTok. Not TikTok. YouTube Shorts. But I post my posts everywhere, dude. We're actually inversing the 15-minute BP. Inversing the 15-minute BPR. So we still have 50 minutes until news. So we have 20 minutes till market open, and then we gotta wait till news. Yeah, news. EMS. All right, so it should be uploading. I'm gonna upload it to YouTube. See, inversing the 15-minute BPR as well. So yeah, sell side should hit if we do. All right, so we inversed it there. If anybody has any questions, you guys can send stuff in chat. See, inversing the 15-minute BPR as well. So. If anybody wants to talk about anything, whether it's I don't know, the strategy, prop firms. I mean, we were talking about prop firms earlier, but whatever you guys want to talk about. We're just waiting for news, so looking for something to do while waiting for news. All right, it's on YouTube now. There we go. All right, I posted it everywhere. I need to go put some Vaseline on my hand, bro. My hand is all like messed up. All right, I'm back. Sorry, just had to feel it on my hand. Is LRR on the 1 minute good target on normal conditions? Not today specifically. Today will be good conditions probably after 10 a.m. news, but big downward, big move during overnight and 10 a.m. news. Market conditions are going to be good as of right now. We could get better price action after 10 a.m. My headphones turned off, and now I'm waiting for them to turn back on. All right. All right, so I mean yesterday, okay. Yeah, look, I used 30-second LRLR yesterday. Look at this. For yesterday's setup. Big manipulation leg right here. 950 macro. Hurricane. You see this? Let me know in chat if you see this. This was the trade I took yesterday. To our Hurricane, you see this? Let me know in chat if you see this. Yo, Hurricane. Okay. So, I entered here. This is 950 macro. Macros run liquidity. That's their job. Macros don't do a big move. So it's not like, so let's say we're inside of this range here. It's a big range, but let's say, let's say it looks like this, right? We're like ranging inside of here. The macro isn't gonna give us like a move like it could take out this liquidity, but like it's not gonna give us just like a big move in general. The point of it is to like take out liquidity. So if we already took out this buy side, let's say the macro started right here, we're not gonna then continue up if the macro started like, say the macro started like this, like right here. Price isn't gonna just like, it doesn't make sense for price to continue up if we already took out buy side. And if we're inside of a macro and price looks like, let's say it looks like this. This is a better example. So we have LRLR here, generated liquidity, and we already swept buy side. So when this macro opens, you can make a guess that we're gonna come down in here and take out this LRLR in the macro, because macros run liquidity. So if you get a setup, then it's good. So you see 950. That's actually the first candle of the macro. Inversed it. So we entered right here. Stop was break even at this high. But look, I go on the 30-second here. LRLR with 3 hits. Touches it 3 times. So you can see we ran this LRLR here. Then price kind of chopped around. You can see if I go forward, price kind of started moving a little bit more sideways. Don't get me wrong, you could have gotten trades in here. You could have gotten like this short. I mean, I don't like that short actually, but this long, those break even. But like, you see how during this macro, where's 1010? Right here is 1010. This is the last candle of the macro. This is the first candle of the macro. You see we ran this LRLR all the way to the top in this macro. We ran it, and then look, we ran it super clean here, and then price like started doing a pullback. Like in the macro, we ran all this liquidity up here. It makes sense for it to not go all the way. We see how it started to come back down. We're inside of a 5-minute fair value gap here. We already swept all of the LRLR, so that was from yesterday. What's up, Halo? Halo was there yesterday. He caught it with us, or with me. Dang, this one got stopped. Halo, I'm waiting for 10 a.m. news. I'm just chilling in here, talking to you guys, answering questions, just having conversation, you know? Just talking with the community while we wait for 10 a.m. news. So yeah, LRLR can work on any time frame. LRLR is just generated liquidity. Like in London, why did it turn off, bro? Like, okay, see this in London? Look at this. This was in a macro. Look at this. 550, 610. Look at this. We ran this LRLR all the way to the bottom in that macro. Look at that. That's the purpose of the macro. Works in London session 2. Was there a setup for it? That might be a little bit different if there was a setup. Don't know if there's a setup. For us anyways, there could be setup for other people's strategies. No, I don't see anything. But we have a lot of LRLR here. Or not a lot. We just have a lot of liquidity below. Relative equal lows. We have these equal lows. They're not like good equal lows, but LRLR like is more of like you want it to be like a good like line. Like I don't really know how to describe it, but you see how like this is one line and this is one line. Like you want it to be all like you really want it to be all like one good line. But like these are all the way up here. It's still liquidity down here. It's just not LRLR. Though it does look good. I just don't know if I would consider it LRLR. I mean, these 3 touches could be. Those 3 touches. I wouldn't consider these 2 part of it. So this one does. This one is relative equal low, so looks good. Yeah, it looks good. I just don't want you to get confused and call these 2 part of it. Damn it. I don't want you to get confused and call these 2 part of it because I wouldn't consider those 2. The one from 850 onwards. Oh, you're talking about this. I don't know. I feel like I have to zoom in on that for this. I would consider that more of like a 30-second. It looks good. I mean, it is 1 minute as well, but yeah, it does look good. But these equal those as well. Again, I can't take anything until 10 a.m. news. All right, let me see if my TikToks are posting. Let me check the Instagram reel. Instagram reels posted. Posted on my story too. If you guys want to, go like it. Actually, wait. I don't care if you guys go like that. That's just an Instagram reel. I mean, I hope it does good. But one thing you guys should do, especially if you want my new video to come out, I'm still working on it. It's not like I'm just like teasing it and like trying to get more views or whatever. Though I am trying to get views, obviously. But I'm still working. I was working on it right before I started stream for like an hour and a half before I started streaming. Go comment and like on this video so it does better. Please. Bro, I'm being nice. I'm not demanding nothing. I'm not demanding nothing. Please. If you want my new video to come out, because that'll boost the engagement. It'll hit 500 views faster. If you want to. Anyways, back to trading. Because I did say I was waiting for 500 views to drop the new video. Okay. What is that? We got 925 candle coming up. Ding, 925 candle doing this thing. Still got 35 minutes until news, guys. All right, so we are 3 minutes away from market open. Kind of just chilling here. Anyone have any questions? Dang, bruh. Look at that wick. As you can see, we are running that LRLR now. So that means if we are actually running it, we should go all the way down to here. So, I mean, unless we just went for these equal lows. So we'll see. But the LRLR's, oh, that's the LRLR down there. So if we inverse this, I will expect us to run the LRLR all the way to down there. Market opens in 45 seconds. My bias for today, I don't have a bias for today. As of right now, bearish because we have an SMT here. Here's because of the SMT right now. So and we had LRLR below. So we just took out the LRLR. Did we have a valid entry? No, there was no entries for that short. Unfortunate. If this would have closed more like here, there would have been a valid entry for it. So we should run all the way down to this low now. We're just running through this LRLR here. This market open might get us to dump all the way down to here, to the bottom of this LRLR. We should run all the way down here, so unfortunately no setup. I'm on the 2 minute. Why am I on the 2 minute? Unless we're gonna leave a 930 wick. We'll see if this inverses. Okay, yeah, we should run all the way down to the bottom of this. Doesn't mean we have to though. We didn't get a setup, so I didn't take anything. But we should run down. Let's have an SMT here. No. Why? There's an SMT, but it's not at the lows. Guys, we are 2 likes away from 10. We're 2 likes away from 10. Could we hit 10? We got 15 people in here. Just two. Just two. Please, please. Bro, no way I'm begging for likes. That's crazy. Bro, what? Oh, I gotta change my battery pack. Okay. Seems like that might have just been a Judas swing. Did not want to take out that LRLR. How long we got till news? 28 minutes. All right, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Bro, I got a nosebleed while I was in the bathroom, bro. I still have my nosebleed. Sorry about that. I was gone for a while. You guys can see it, right? Yeah. I'm gonna have to take it out in like 5 minutes. How long we got till news? I'm gonna mark out news on my chart. Damn it, wrong time. Boom. 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 All right. Now we're just gonna wait and be patient, guys. Anyone have any questions for me? Oh, we're one away from 10. No way we hit 10 this early in stream. Normally it takes like we hit 10 like right at the end. Or at least I feel like we reached 10 at about the end. I gotta order those nose strips, bro. Let me see if like the magnet ones that are all over TikTok, bro. All right. How long do we have until news now? 20 minutes still? Damn, bro. We have a long time until news, bro. I'm gonna put a timer up on stream. All right. It's actually not exactly until 10. Yeah, it's not exactly to 10. It's like 5. It's like 2 minutes before. So it doesn't really matter. Never mind. I can't set it for 10 o'clock. Not on the Google one, anyways. Let me see. There's nothing really to look at here. Kind of chopping. Not even on the 30-second. 15-second. Dang, not even anything on the 15-second. 5-second. Alright, live calls here on the 5-second. Equal highs. So wait for those equal highs to get a short setup. Okay. We swept equal highs. We swept the high. Now, possible short here. I'm not actually trading the 15-second, guys. I'm just waiting for news to come out at 10. Bro, why do my headphones keep turning off? Dang, we put an equal highs. Okay. We actually have a 30-second fair value gap here now. How much a month is it on TradingView to get the seconds charts? It's I pay 70. Because the seconds chart comes with the highest, the most expensive one. Cal. So short to these equal lows. Doesn't look bad with delivery from this. Again, I'm waiting for 10 a.m. news. I'm not taking anything. $15. All right, let me go take this out of my nose and see if it's fine. All right, I'm good now, guys. Any more? Ah, sorry. 13 minutes. All right, go. I'm just waiting. Just, all right. SMT at the highs anymore? Oh no, no SMTs anymore. Holy crap. Guys, we are one away from 10. Please, can somebody like it? Just one person. I just need one person to like it. One person like the stream. Yay! Bruh, no way I just said that. Thank you. All right, now I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop begging for likes now. How long we got? We got 8 minutes, bro. Sorry if it's boring right now. Just waiting for this 10 a.m. news. 6 minutes. It costs 60 USD per month. Yeah. Yeah, I pay 70 because I also pay 10 for the live data. That's why I said I pay 70. That's the FN. Took this short, but we're so close to news. Yeah. The short does look good. Not like really, really good. It looks decent. Not really targeting much. We relative equal those, but we swept a lot of this already. So that's the only thing I see wrong with it. How long till news? 4 minutes. Bias is bullish. Why would bias be bullish? There's an hour for value gap here. We could be delivering out of this hourly. So the short would have an hourly delivery as well as a liquidity sweep. It doesn't really matter. I'm just waiting till after news. Lower probability before 10 a.m. news anyways. Two minutes, guys. 2 minutes until news. All right, we got 39 seconds. Finally, 10 a.m. news is here. Oh my gosh, bro. Let me delete all this. Don't really need any of this. 10 seconds. Finally got news. Okay. Seems like I put in a data high there. And a data low. All right, so we just took this low here. Mm. So here would be the entry for this data. That is really, really, that close is going to be crazy. I don't really like the way this setup looks. Even if it were to close here. But this might hit this high. But I'm not taking this. So there's this fair value gap. I don't really like it delivering from nowhere. Yeah, I trade after news. So it would have been a stop out if you had taken that. I don't really like this setup. All right, so we are dumping here. Could look for longs off of this. Those equal lows did look good, but we didn't, unfortunately, didn't get a setup to them. Okay, so now, unfortunately, we made equal lows here. Because that looks really good. I want to, it'd be better if we sweep this, though. Sweep all the way down here. Yeah, I can't take this. We left equal lows. Equal lows on the 1 minute as well. Equal lows down here. So, yeah, I'm just going to wait. Bro, no way we left you close. I thought we took him out for a second, but we'll go to the bathroom. We need a sweep or something here. Not taking it with you close. Right on. So boom, just swept that low. We also have Asia low here, so we could want to come down to Asia low, but we'll see. What's up, Ian? Ian, what do you want? I said, what do you want? I don't want to call you. Bro, they can't hear you on stream, bro. But you want me to go like this? No. It's not there on the 2 minute. It's not there on the 1 minute either. No, bro. What, bro? This is why I need to trade by myself, bro. Bro, because you're just talking about random stuff right now, bro. Yeah, when there's two is fine. Two is fine. But right now I don't see anything. Well, this one would have been better if it looked different. It doesn't look different. I don't know how to explain it, bro. It's just like okay, this candle shouldn't have had so much down momentum. Like now it's telling me that it wants to take out Asia though, or at least that's what it looks like. So what I would want would probably be like us to sweep this, and then maybe get something like up, but there's too much down momentum. If it would have like closed more up and then inversed, it would have been pretty good, especially with these relative equal highs right here. What's up, Ken? I choose not to answer. But I'm still in the call. Bro, I was before news, when we were waiting for news, I was watching this video of this guy who killed his girlfriend. Bro, there's nothing to look at, bro. Look at these candles. Bro, look at these candles. They're all just wicks, bro. What am I supposed to say? There's nothing here. I'm waiting. That's what I told you, bro. My thought process right now is waiting. I'm waiting. No, because then I could miss something, bro. What? Exactly. Good boy. Oh yeah, yeah. That's the time counting down for the candle close. Yeah. Well, it was off the 10 o'clock news, but I don't. It does. It's not like a crazy good news candle, but I have it marked out. What? You can ask me questions, bro. It's just like I don't know. What? Bro, because this candle closed way too down. Like I would want it to look like it wants to go up, bro. Bro, no, bro. Bro, I'll show you the one from yesterday, bro. If it'll okay, it's not working. Okay, there we go. So so yeah, it closed down, but then you see how it instantly came back up. And like it obviously didn't want to stay down. Right now it's just kind of going down. See, look. No, I'm good, G. I'm good, G. No, my computer's not gonna crash. My computer would crash if I was doing using After Effects. Bro, what? The one I have drawn out? Yeah. Well, if I enter while it's still in the fair value gap, it hasn't closed above yet. So how would it, what? Yo, you gotta wait for it to close. Yes. Bro, what am I gonna do? Like, hope it closes above after I enter? If, bro, I told you what an inverse for. Yes, bro. No. Yes, it doesn't matter, bro. No, yes and no. It really just depends how you trade. No, no, it doesn't. Because okay, so we have the hourly, right? 15 minutes is like the quarter of every hour because you have the 4 hour, and then the 1 hour is a quarter of the 4 hour, and then 15 minute is a quarter of the 1 hour. Then obviously 1 minute, 2 minute, or these are all just lower time frame ones. 30 second is half of the 1 minute. I don't know. It's Just makes sense. I don't really know. Obviously, you're not gonna trade like the 42-minute chart. That's just a random number, but I don't know how to explain it, bro. I'm not the one who came up with the time frames. That's just the time frames everybody trades. Um. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's why you take the trade on the one that the fair value gap is like the highest on. So if you have a 2-minute fair value gap and a 1 minute, I would wait for the 2 minute and the 1 minute to close. But if it's only on the 1 minute, then I'll just take it on the 1 minute. What's up, Elijah? All right, so now we just swept Asia lows. I'm a what? I'm a what? Tell me. Bro, cause I'm mid trading, bro. Bro, I have YouTube videos. I have YouTube videos you could watch, or you could watch Dodgy, or watch. I won't recommend Lewis because I don't like Lewis. Yeah, he's not a scammer. He just lies about who he learned from. He acts like he came up with a strategy. Bro, Ian, what do you think about me getting the? I'm thinking about getting mouth tape. Bro, what? You know, it's not much of a dip. Well, actually, I'm pretty sure it's like breathable. So like you don't suffocate to death. So this 1 minute did inverse. This 1 minute setup did trigger, but again, I'm not looking for. I didn't like it. It was just or 30-second. I mean, just too small for me. I didn't want to take it. So if you did take it, that would be break even there. It's just way too small for me. But what? How did that come up on my chart? What did I do for that to come up on my chart? There was something. Ooh, the one on ES actually looked good. The one on ES looks good. I could have taken that one on ES. So that would be full TP there, or almost full TP. But again, I didn't take that. It was way too small for me. So full TP hit on ES. That's not full TP. That's not full TP either. 2 hour would have to be all the way up here. So I'd be full TP on NQ. But again, I didn't take this. Just too small for me. And this one's just completely on a different leg, and I don't like taking ones on completely different legs. So. Well, I'm talking to stream. I'm not talking to you. No, I didn't. I didn't take anything, Ken. Bro, you have to learn basic stuff before. I'm not gonna sit here and explain every little thing, bro. That's what I'm doing to my stream, and you're like, ah, ah. Audio volume's too low, not audible. Wait. Hello. Wait. Okay. This should be better. Arun. This is better. Okay. But no, Ken, I did not take this. Fair value gap was too small. The one on ES looked really good though. Ken doesn't trade the 30-second, so he wouldn't have taken that. Elijah, I heard Logan called you a potty word. Ian, bro, I literally just called you back, bro. You didn't answer, bro. So we just swept those relative equal highs. Delivery from the left. Could put in an OB here. We did inverse this, though. I don't really want to take that. Doesn't really look that good. I'm not going to lie. This 2 minute and 1 minute don't look bad, but again, that's just very, very far in discount. So don't really want to take that. Dang, so both of those 30 seconds are just printing, bro. What? What is that RR on this NQ1? Style of trading good for Forex pairs. I'm not sure. I haven't traded Forex with it. 6R, bro, and it hit that easily, bro. What the hell, bro? What is going on? All right, so this confirmation setup wouldn't be that bad if we get it. And okay, so no fair value gap there. So this is the 30-second here. 30 seconds way too small. Oh wait, it's that big. Be 100. So it'd be up to here. Watch it work, bro. The way all of these are working right now. We just swept by side too, so. Oh my gosh, bro. No way this is actually, no way this stuff is working right now, bro. Okay, good. We already swept by side, bro. And that fair value gap's tiny. 30 seconds short, not delivering out of anything. No liquidity sweep, so not really a good setup. Though that fair value gap could hold, this fair value gap here could actually hold and make this long work. But um it'd be good if we leave this liquidity here as well as this one and come down and get a long setup. So we'll see. Put an order block here that would tell us that this next setup wants to work. The one that's in right now, the 30-second. I don't like trading this low of time frame though. Like having to trade this low. Like if we get a good 30-second setup, that's one thing. But like, there's no fair value gaps on anything else. It's just like, I don't know. No way that worked, bro. What? That's wild, bro. It's one of the worst targets ever, too. Just waiting to see if we get something. Just being patient right now, guys. Maybe some liquidity. Hopefully we generate like LRLR here and maybe get a short with 1050 macro. So maybe something like, damn, maybe like maybe something like this, 1050 macro. Just hoping for something. Let's see. So it could run this, not that this LRLR, but just this liquidity. So now we do have this big pump here. So we do have possible gap here. And there we go. So that's gap. SMT. Oh, we have this liquidity all the way at the top. No, I didn't take that 30-second. It didn't really look that good. Fair value gap was too small. I would have taken it if fair value gap looked like that. If it looked like that, I would have taken it. But first one after we swept Asia. No, I didn't. That one was also a little too small for me. Like, if it was like that, I would have taken it. So this is the only possible setup as of right now. We'd have to check it like all the way down here for, so partial would be there, 50p would be there. So we'll see. So we still have 1 minute until this next candle closes. For the 2 minute, the 3 minute, and the 1 minute. So SMT at these highs. So we could have a 5 minute here as well. So could look for a sweep of this. All right, so we just swept the first set of equal highs here. We do have these. After such a big pump like this, I don't really want to take the first setup. This sweep of this high would look so much better. Delivery. Now we actually have some liquidity, but we have more liquidity here. Dodgy took that 30-second at the low here. I don't know. It didn't really. It was a little too small, especially with the chop next to it. But it wasn't. Because I would have taken it if it was like that, but it was just a little too small for me. I guess it did have really good V shape though. And it was to data highs. I forward tested that long, but I just didn't take it. So we have this short here. I don't really like it. So we're about to be in that 1050 macro. So realistically, we should be running some liquidity here. It'd be better if we would have swept this high, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe we sweep this high and get a short setup, but I only have 20 minutes left till I gotta get off, so that's how long until the macro's over, so. Yeah. So maybe we get a sweep here, short setup. So we'd have delivery and a short setup. So okay, so that looks good. We just swept that though. Don't really have a setup here. We have this 1 minute. Let me remove all this stuff here. Do have a 1 minute, but I would prefer getting a 2-minute here, actually. They'll just look better. All right, so let's see. We got 32 seconds till this candle closes. Could get a 2-minute here. Already have 1 minute here, so no SMT there. We swapped it on both, so could turtle soup this here. 10 seconds to see if we have a 2-minute here. Okay, so we got the 2-minute. Yeah, but it seems like we're not going to come to it. If we would have gotten V shape, that would have looked good, but it doesn't really seem like that's what we're going to get here. SMT here. No SMT. Either 1 hour. This is some good reversal here. What is that down there? Bro, what is this? What? Okay. You made a 3-minute as well. So I would want all of them to close at the same time. So I would not take it off this 2-minute, but the next 2-minute candle. So it seems like that 2-minute, 3-minute holding, 1-minute inverse there. That one would have been break even. Would have been break even when it hit that. So we got a 1 minute to tell us if we're gonna go up or down here. So if this 2-minute dumps in inverses, then could be a good sign. But we were really, really close to this buy side here, so probably is just gonna hit this buy side. All right, so we just swept that buy side there. Okay, so we just swept that buy side. We did inverse the hourly, but we swept that buy side. And we have a 1 minute here. This 1 minute looks good. Actually, it looks really good. SMT as well. So this is what the short would look like here. It would be 100 tick stop. Break even here. We can target all the way here. But it has to just like reverse, not do all this. So I'm assuming I'm not gonna get anything today, which is fine. We got 8 more minutes left. Let's see if we get anything. Okay, no more SMT. Oh no, that's MNQ. Yeah, no more SMT there. Dang. Seems like we're not gonna get anything today, man. I mean, there was that one 30-second long, but yeah, that seems like it was it. That was it for today, man. I'll be on here for the next 4.5 minutes, but I don't think we're getting anything. Not this late. But yeah, I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end it at what is it? 11:10. So we got 4.5 more minutes. Still got PM session, yeah. Didn't miss the long to news high. Yeah, well, I wouldn't say miss, bro. I saw it. It's just I don't know. To me, it was too small. I would have preferred it to look like this, the sniper. It was just like that. So to me, I wanted it to be like, if, I would have taken it if it looked like this. But yeah, not displacing too much above this height either. But yeah, might be here for the day. Yeah, we're not really displacing above, but we're just chopping. So still got PM session. I don't trade PM session. Not that PM session isn't good. I just I'm normally sleeping during PM session. My schedule's really, really weird right now. My schedule's like the opposite of most people's. It's really weird. But yeah, it's the only way I can trade right now. Cut on my finger, bro. We got 2.5 minutes left. Where my foot is cramping. Oh, my camera just died. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna turn my camera off then. Just for the last couple minutes of stream. I'm gonna watch this last couple minutes of price action. And then, okay, what is going on with this? Okay, there we go. All right. Last couple minutes of stream. We got a minute and 30 seconds. So I'm just run this stream until I wouldn't say missed. I chose not to take it. So to me it wasn't a miss. It was I didn't like it. So I'm not gonna go back on that. So to me it was just too small. It didn't look like I said, if it was a little bit bigger I would have liked it. You know? Do I regret not taking it? No. If it was like this, I might have said yes, but this, no. It's just small. Like, bro, I'm already green. I was green yesterday, bro. Like, I don't need to force any trades. Like, even if I wasn't green yesterday, I wouldn't need to force any trades. But yeah. Price action was just, oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Price action wasn't bad today. It's just, I mean, it was kind of annoying, like sitting through this, but or like sitting through this has been really boring. Just slowly moving up, but yeah. Man, waiting for the short, but nothing presented. Yeah. Maybe this long was a little bit better because of the data highs. But at the end of the day, still. I mean, data highs and equal highs, but at the end of the day, it didn't look like the best for me, so I would have preferred something better. So I'm not. I would have been mad if I missed, if like not missed, but I would have been mad if I didn't take yesterday's trade. Yesterday's trade was so much better. Oh, you're talking about this one? Yeah, this one was even worse. This one was even smaller. No, look. Here. Why isn't it letting me click, bro? Yo, what is wrong with this, bro? I don't want to, bro. Click off of the. Yo, what is wrong with this, dude? Get off, bro. Oh my gosh. It's going to make me delete it. That's so stupid. Like, what is wrong with my thing? I'll compare right now. 4.25. Okay, why is it 4.25 and 5.25? So this one was a whole point bigger. But I still didn't like it. Don't know how dodgy he took it. Well, I know how he took it. He just clicked his buttons, like he hit the buy button. So that's how he took it. Why he took it? Probably just had more conviction. Maybe he saw this momentum and liked it more. He has more screen time, so even though this one's objectively worse with the size of the fair value gap, maybe he because he has more screen time than me, he saw this momentum in live time and was like, "Oh, I want to take that," So he has more screen time than a lot more screen time than me. So he saw it in live time and was like, "I like the momentum," and he took it. So he said he took the second one. Let me see. I thought he took that first one. That's when he posted in his Discord, anyways. In the trade recaps. I didn't execute this, but I still caught a piece of it. Oh. This right here, was there an SMT? Maybe that made it better. I don't remember there being an SMT there. Yeah, no SMT. Maybe it's just because it's a continuation. Or not continuation. Confirmation, sweep with delivery off this. I don't know. But yeah. Okay, it's 11:13 now. Yeah, so I'm gonna be done for the day. That was not a good day, but I mean, we sat here and just watched. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for joining up today. We had a long stream today, 2 hours and 55 minutes. So, all right, thank you guys for joining up, and